Okay, you guys, this is my best friend, Miss J Diva, my high school sweetheart. So I pre-done her eyebrows off camera, so we're going to start with an eyeshadow base. Now I'm using Clown White by Cosmetic as our eyeshadow base. For the crease, I'm just using a light brownish color. You would need more than one crease brush to create this eye look. When doing my eyeshadow, I always fix or change or rearrange anything I see. Next, I'm using another crease brush with a darkish brownish color. As you can see, I am pulling her eyebrows up to make sure that that secondary color could be in her crease. So I'm working from the outer edge into the inner corner of the eyes. Now I'm going back with the lighter brown color to blend out the secondary color on her crease. After that, I'll be taking my Makeup Revolution in the shade C1 to cut her crease. I'm using a MAC Cosmetic 242 brush to cut her crease. When trying to do a crease cut, I believe that your brush should be super flat at the tip of it to get a perfect line. Now I'm using a dark golden yellow color on the edge of her eyes just to blend out the crease cut. Next, I'm using a matte cream color just to fill in her crease cut. I'm using a Morphe brush called M213. All my brushes will be listed in the description box. You have to take your time when you get close to that cut crease line. Now you completely blend the tail of the eyes. Now you remove any fallout. Next, I'll be using my favorite liquid liner by Amuse Cosmetic, Jet Black. Next, I'll be using Black Opal Stick foundation in the shade Truly Topaz to sharpen up her wing liner. Now, I'll be using La Charmer D Wispy as her eyelash base. I love to use a smaller lash and add the real lash on top of it. For her moisturizer, I'll be using Pomade Moisturizer. Then for her primer, I'll be using Becca Poreless Primer. For her foundation, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Butter Pecan. If you guys watch my video, you already know that is my favorite foundation brush. That brush is from Crown Brushes. All of my brushes will be listed in the description box. When doing my foundation, I always work in the center of the face first, then move outwards. You normally see me use 2 shades of foundation when doing makeup, but this time I use only 1 shade. When working with clients with baby hair, I try my best not to get the product in it, so you have to be very gentle to remove the baby hair so you can make sure you apply the product. When doing makeup, it's never too late to fix or change or rearrange any imperfection that you may see. For the concealer, I did a mixture of Warm Sand and Butterscotch by Too Faced Born This Way. As you can see, I put the concealer in between each other. Now I'm using my same foundation brush to blend it down. This is my number one and only favorite foundation brush that I love using to do everything in, from blending my foundation, from blending my concealers, to blending down my contour. This is a must-have foundation brush by Crown Brushes. This brush will be listed in the description box. And I love the outcome of the mixture of concealer. As you can see, it's not too light and not too dark. It's just about right. Next, I'll be using black Opal Stick foundation called Carb to contour her. It's easy to do placement when using this product. I'm just using a regular foundation brush, a smaller face foundation brush, just to blend the contour down. Next, I'll be using Nye Cosmetic Natural Set to set all her highlighted area. Next, I'll be using Makeup Forever's Velvet Skin in the shade Y545 to set her whole foundation. Her eyebrows are popping. Then I'll be using my sponge to apply the banana powder by Nye Cosmetic to give her that extra pop. This is my best friend, J Diva. Make sure you guys check her out. I'll attach her information in the description box. She's an up-and-coming rapper. She has a show tonight, and I'm just getting her prepared for her production. Now for her blush, I'm just using a mixture of the Juvia's Place palette. I'll list that in the description box. Now for her lip liner, I'm using MAC Cosmetic Chestnut pencil. And for her lipstick, I'm using MAC Cosmetic Honey Love lipstick. I know I always slap the lipstick on, but I'm going to use a brush to smooth it out or blend it down. Now I'm going to dust all her highlighting powder off of her face. Make sure you do your best to blend as much of that powder off of your face, because if you don't, you will get a flashback. As you can see, you can somewhat still see the banana popping, but that's what I want. Just a little, not too much. This is one of my favorite lip gloss by MAC Cosmetic. It's called Nymphet. I'll list it in the description box. As you can see, I'm taking my time blending the lip liner with the lipstick together with the lip gloss, even though I slapped those lipstick on. If you're not comfortable with the shade of the banana powder, it's okay to go back over it with your skin foundation powder. Now I'm going to add some mink lashes on top of the base lashes. These are my line coming out soon. Still working on it. But I love to do stack lashes. And I always use the tweezer to make sure it's nice and tight and secured onto the base lashes. I prefer to only use a tweezer when it comes to applying eyelashes. The only time I don't use a tweezer is if I can't find one, then I have to use my fingers. Next, I'll be using a MAC pencil called Feline to line up her waterline, and I like to use a sponge to press on her under eye so my fingerprint won't touch it. Now I'll be smudging underneath her eyes with a little brown color. I'm just using an angle brush, but you can use any small flat brush to smudge underneath the eyes. I like to use a cardboard so that no fallout will go onto the face. Now I'm just freshening her wing liner. My best friend is such a character. She forgot she was on camera. Now I'm using the mascara to remove all that makeup that was underneath her eyelashes. I'm going to pull out the top lashes and the bottom lashes. And I also use cardboard to protect underneath the eye when applying mascara on the bottom lashes. Last, I'll be using Juvia Place Loose Bronzer. I will list the product in the description box. Now for her tear duct, I'm using NYX Pearl White to pop the inner corner of her eyes. And here you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And please comment and let me know what you think.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching Face Caption YouTube channel. Y'all make sure y'all check your girl out, Miss J Diva, aka Jayonce. Nah, for real. Miss J Diva. Instagram, JAYDIVA_91. And check me out. Check out my music. It's on SoundCloud, iTunes, everywhere. YouTube. Thanks for watching. And shout out to Face Caption, my good friend that slays me to the gods, Alright.